Let's make the famous cutting chai. Let's pour a cup of water into a saucepan. Then add 3 cardamom or elaichi pods that are crushed. Remove the seeds from the pods and then crush it. Add an inch of grated ginger too, along with 2 teaspoons of tea powder. Give this a stir. If you do like my videos, please do click on the like button, and if you do prepare my recipes, please post a picture of it on Instagram or Facebook, and don't forget to tag me. You can find the details in the description. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar now. The quantity of sugar you add can vary depending upon your taste. Stir and let it boil for 5 minutes on a medium-high flame. If you want the flavor of the tea to be stronger, then boil it for longer. Reduce the flame and pour in 3/4 cup of milk. Give it a quick stir and let it boil for 2 minutes. Mix it in between. Once it boils, turn off the flame. And with the help of a strainer, filter the chai, separating the tea leaves from the tea. Pour into glasses and enjoy your hot cutting chai with biscuits.